someone visiting your blog and reading the article will feel like will feel like they're reading crap, because when an artificial intelligence wrote something, it's totally different from when a human being wrote something for a viewer to read. Then I did a research, kind of like I use Google search trending searches. I use the trending searches to kind of like make up an article or a content that can kind of like a test run, for an approved website. And that was when I discovered that it said that by the of information on recent sports games or ranking, the knowledge its knowledge was cut off in 2021. That means we cannot use trending searches to make content for our blog or anything. Then I narrowed down to, okay, this video is basically focused on how we can make money using ChatGPT. So yeah, this is another place whereby it's listed almost 43 content. With this, you can just copy the content out, edit it, edit it perfectly well, and post on your website, and you can make, you can monetize it, gain traffic from it. But just make sure this content is 0% plagiarism free. Then as we're going down, I asked it a couple of questions related to affiliate. Then I was like, okay, since most of you guys are mostly interested in how to make money with the bots, it's like I asked this question, how to make 10K in a month. It's kind of weird to ask an AI this question, but just see there are many ways to potentially make $10,000 in a month. And the approach that works best for will depend on your skill, resources, and goals. Here are a few ideas to consider. Offer your service as a freelancer if you have a particular skill set such as writing, editing, design, web development, or marketing. You can offer your services as a freelancer and charge by the hour or by the project. The second reply was sell products online. Basically, everybody knows about this. You can sell physical, digital products and e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. You can also sell products through your own website or blog. The third one was renting out a spare room. If you have a spare room in your home, you can rent it out on a short-term basis through platforms such as Airbnb. You can also offer tutorial or teaching services in offering your knowledge and expertise to students online through platforms such as Wyzant or tutor.com. Or you can advertise your services locally. The fifth one was investing in stock market. With careful research and a bit of luck, it may be possible to make significant profit through stock market investment. However, it is important to be aware that investing in the stock market carries risk and is not a guaranteed way to make money. It is important to keep in mind that making 10,000 a month, 10K a month is a significant financial goal and may not be feasible for everyone. It will likely require hard work, persistence, and a bit of luck. It's also important to be aware of any potential risks or challenges and to do your research before making any financial decision. So this is kind of like, I'll see this like the best way to to show to anyone that wants to make 10,000 a month. This is like the best top five way that you guys can use to make money online. Any other way is basically out of it. Either you waste your money or you lose money. I don't have the way. And if you narrow down these five lists that's made, you can see kind of like affiliate marketing is underneath, freelancing is underneath, e-commerce, dropshipping, everything is underneath these five lists that's listed. And I think this is like the five only ways you can use ChatGPT to make money online.